know, stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna keep this going. Every week, we're gonna have a new hype box coming out for you guys. Thank you.
Boy, if you don't get... Guys, I'm sorry. I messed up. I know I said I'm gonna bring it every week for you guys, and I failed us. I started off hot with a 1500. They messed me up on the shoes, but now I had to tone it down a little bit. So I got a $250 box. Got another box, but I'm not gonna tell you guys that yet. And I'm sorry, but I promise I will be uploading every week. Whether it's a mystery box, my shoe collection, anything, a vlog, anything, I'm uploading every week because you guys love me and I love you guys too. You guys gave me 124 subscribers and I did nothing. Nothing. You guys gave me 2.8 thousand views and I did nothing. No promotion, no nothing. Y'all love that Don D squad. Y'all love that squad. Y'all love me. I'm sorry. So let's get into it. Throw me the box. Throw me the knife. It's about that time. As you guys know already, this is from Laced Up. Laced Up Albany to be exact. They have all types of stuff on there. You can get from $99 boxes to $50,000 boxes, and that will be here, but I'm not gonna talk about that right now. But this right here is a $250 BAPE only box. As you can see, I got my baby Milo on, I'm repping it. You know I keep my BAPE ball. Oh, let me get this knife on my. Like I said, that's my favorite. That was my favorite item. One of my favorite items. Y'all know I hated it. Back to school's coming up. So, you know, if you don't have a lot of money, that's okay. You can still get a box from Laced Up. And I'm gonna leave the description in the below and everything, you know? And I'm gonna give you guys a discount code. But I'm gonna get back to that at the end. But, it's that time. This is my second box though. I'm hype. I am hype. Hype. All right. Smells like a new pair of Jordans. Laced Up always individually wraps their stuff. It's beautiful. It's Christmas every day for me. Let's see. Who knows what it is? Let's go. Oh, so we got another just big bag. They gave me this big bag for this little bag. You can fit meat in this. Yo, I might as well get in a mystery box, yo. Like, for real. I swear I'd be the most expensive mystery box ever. Got this drawstring bag. Now this one is really, the quality on this one is so much better to go to the gym in. You see that ape, you see that monkey, you feel me? That monkey, you feel me? If I had to say, if I had to guess, this drawstring bag about like $50, $60. Throw this over here. All right, what's next? Now, you guys have to keep in mind, it's a $250 box. So like, it's not gonna be like, oh my goodness, you got a pair of Yeezys. Like, it's not that. It doesn't even have shoes. But, you know, if you don't know what to do, and sometimes people don't have a lot of money. So what they do is they might spend it all on one thing, you know? But here they give you a great variety where you still get a come up. So it's a pretty good investment in my opinion, to be honest. Especially when you're getting a BAPE shirt. You guys know I love BAPE. You know that, and you know this, man. Open up. Open up. I got this mixed sizes too. Let's see. Ooh, size medium. Yo, this Joan is dopey. Look at this. You guys can't tell me this isn't like, and how hot it is outside right now. The camo BAPE flip sides. You guys are tripping, man, tripping. Ew. 250. So this shirt right here probably goes for like $110, $120. So right here with the shirt and the drawstring bag, you're looking at $170. $170 right there. This is nice. This is really nice. Picturing this, gonna be flames. You already know how it go. Last item in the box. Well, in the bag. Can I get another BAPE shirt? Can I get another BAPE shirt? Let's go! Medium, did we get this one? I think we got this one in the last one. The plain BAPE, just the 8, you feel me? All monkey work. It's the big monkey though. It goes all over, you feel me? Even a little bit on the side. Man, this is classic. Do you guys know anything about BAPE? No, but seriously though, no, this is real cool comic collective. So in total, let's think about it. So you got this shirt that's going for $110, $120. Then you got this white one that's going for anywhere from $110 to $130. Let's do the math right there. That's already like $250, you feel me? Right there, right off rip. And then you get a little extra. You get a nice little BAPE drawstring bag, you know? Now, if you're a reseller, no, this isn't the smartest move. You only gonna make 50 bucks. But you trying to get fly, you know, you trying to go out. You trying to be like, dang, like I need something, but I don't know what I wanna get. This is it right here, guys. This is it. You get 2 BAPE shirts and a BAPE drawstring bag. People gonna be like, what's that? You feel me? That's what it's about, man. This is where I go to get my stuff. People ask me all the time, yo, where you get your stuff? How you get so... Relax, you feel me? Relax. This is heat right here, heat. Once again, guys, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry I didn't... I'm about to start stressing. I'm sorry I didn't come out with the vid. I'm sorry. But I promise you I'm gonna keep it going. And I promise you I'm gonna do good for you guys, okay? I promise. Y'all deserve it. Y'all the reason I even wanna do this, you feel me? So let's do it then. Wait, what are we doing again? I'm sorry for anybody I didn't come back in the comments for. Anybody I did not reply to, I'm so sorry. I'm replying to everybody. I'm gonna try my best to reply to literally everybody that messages. Please message me. Tell me what I can do better. Tell me what boxes you want next. Guys, I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna have the $2,000 boxes, $3,000 boxes. I'm getting the $750 boxes, the $1,000. I want all the boxes because I want you guys to see everything that can come and see. I really care about you guys. I want you guys to really go use Laced Up. It's actually a really nice company, you know? So make sure you guys go do that. And please don't think I'm sponsored by Laced Up or anything because they don't even really notice me. Like, I have a discount code that you can use for Laced Up. It's gonna be in the comments below. And you know, just type that in and you're gonna get $15 off your next purchase. We're gonna be a part of that Laced Up squad together. You feel me? Together. That's that Don D spirit, you feel me? It's your boy Don. Guys, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at DSF. And you already know what we doing next. It's Don D Squad.